Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your fence on Grow a Garden. If you don't have the beanstalk fence, you'll need to contribute at least 10 times, I think, 10 or 9 times. And then you'll get the beanstalk fence. To change it, you're just going to go to your profile here, edit skins, and then just select bean fence. And then as you can see, your fence will change into something like this. And that is how you can change your fence in Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.